Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pulley removal tool is probably one of the most useful and versatile tools you can have in your workshop or garage, especially if you frequently work on engines, machinery, or any system involving pulleys. This handy device simplifies a task that can otherwise be incredibly frustrating and time-consuming, saving you time, effort, and potential damage to your equipment. In this video, we will explore its features, benefits, and how to use it effectively. Number 5. BETOOLL Harmonic Balancer Tool Kit. This kit makes working on your Honda or Acura engine easier than ever. It includes everything you need for quick and efficient repairs. This tool securely holds the harmonic damper pulley in place, preventing rotation while you work on the crank bolts. It's compatible with many Acura and Honda engines. It works with a 1-2-inch breaker bar or ratchet. Its compact design allows for easy access in tight engine spaces. This socket is perfect for Honda engines with a 19mm hex pulley damper bolt. It's also great for other 19mm applications. Use it with a 1-2-inch square drive. The counterweighted design increases torque for easy removal of stubborn bolts. Made from high-strength alloy steel with a corrosion-resistant black coating, it's built to withstand years of use. And it's backed by a lifetime replacement guarantee. What we like. This kit contains both a harmonic balancer socket and a crankshaft pulley wrench, perfect for various Honda and Acura engine repairs. Its compact design allows easy access to tight engine spaces. If you need a reliable, versatile tool with a lifetime guarantee, this is the one for you. What people say. Impossible to fit or manage harmonic balancer without this. This tool is a must-have. It fits snug and did its job. What a great invention. Makes easy work of torquing the crank bolt on Honda 3.5L V6. Great job of holding TH pulley with the use of a 1-2 drive pull handle. Fits like a glove on the pulley hex and sturdy robust tool is built for this specific task. Number 4. Aries 71002 Harmonic Balancer Puller. This kit makes removing damper pulleys a breeze, even in tight spaces. It's designed to save you time and effort. Its improved design ensures it stays put during use, providing a secure and reliable grip on the pulley. This prevents slippage and ensures efficient removal. Built with strong steel and a black oxide finish, it's resistant to corrosion and built to last. You can count on it for many jobs to come. This kit includes a 3-jaw puller, forcing rods, a forcing screw, and a convenient storage case. Everything you need is right here, ready to go. It's compatible with many makes and models, including Chrysler, GM, Mitsubishi, Cadillac, and Oldsmobile. It's a versatile tool for various automotive applications. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. Your satisfaction is our priority. Aries is proud to support the ASPCA. A portion of proceeds helps this great organization care for animals in need. What we like. This kit excels at removing pulleys in tight spaces without removing the radiator, saving you valuable time and effort. Its adjustable design makes it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. If you prioritize convenience and efficiency, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Worked like it was supposed to, perfectly. These LS motors can be very hard to remove the balancer from. Cheap tools can't handle removing them, they're just too tight. This one worked excellent. Never slipped off, good quality threads on the center portion. Threads are nice and tight, like they should be. Seems it was designed for the LS type GM engine. I have many pullers and none I own was as user-friendly for a LS engine style balancer as this one. Motor is on engine stand so it was used in the easiest manner, but if motor is in vehicle, this puller would be excellent as it is designed also to be used in tight locations, Corvettes, Camaros etc. It comes with 4 different length rods for depth. No assembly required, pull out of case, choose rod needed and that's it. I pulled a balancer off a GM L33, 5.3, on engine stand with a DeWalt corded impact. It took longer to get the impact out of toolbox than it took to remove balancer. The product description was accurate and it did what I needed it to do. The quality of the tool feels solid, not a one and done kind of tools. Number 3. Orion Motor Tech Gear Puller Set. It's a versatile tool set that can be used as a gear puller, bearing puller, or even a crank pulley puller. This makes removing worn or broken parts a breeze. This set includes 4 different sizes, offering maximum spreads from 3 to 8 inches. You'll be prepared for almost any job. The 3 jaws grip components tightly and distribute pulling force evenly. This prevents damage to your parts during removal. These tools are reversible, allowing you to pull parts from the inside or outside. Some even offer multiple configurations for an even better grip. Made from drop-forged, heat-treated carbon steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, it's built to withstand tough jobs and provide years of reliable service. What we like. This set offers 4 different sizes to handle various applications, and its reversible jaws provide flexibility for both internal and external pulls. Made from heavy-duty steel, it's built to last. If you need a versatile and durable set for multiple tasks, this is the best option. What people say. The tool was very strong and durable. And I was lucky to see that it fit where applied and the convenience to operate and see the functions prevail for releasing a seized rotor. Fits 2AS 4.7L Lexus LX 470/Toyota Land Cruiser 100 series works great. Fits 2AS Toyota motor for removing crankshaft pulley. Very durable, made removal of pulley very easy. I used these to pull lots of bearings from my tools that were flooded during Helene. Anything this could get a grip on eventually came apart. Machining is good. I never felt I was stripping it like cheaper pullers. Variety of sizes. Number 2. Powerbuilt 648605 tool set. This tool set makes removing and installing alternator and power steering pulleys a breeze. It's designed to protect your vehicle's delicate parts during the process. Say goodbye to costly repairs. This set minimizes the risk of damage to your vehicle's sensitive components. It's built to be durable and reliable. It's incredibly versatile. This tool easily adapts to fit almost any alternator or power steering pulley, eliminating the need for extra adapters. The set comes with a heavy-duty blow-molded case for easy storage and transport. Keep everything organized and protected. We've included clear, illustrated instructions to guide you through each step. It's simple to use, even for beginners. This kit is perfect for tackling power steering pump pulley removal and installation. It simplifies a complex job. What we like. Specifically designed for alternator and power steering pulleys, this tool minimizes the risk of damage to delicate parts during removal and installation. Its straightforward design makes the job easier. If you're looking for a specialized tool that protects your components, this is it. What people say. Having the right tool job to do a job is important. This tool did the job of pulling and installing the pulley on my vacuum pump with ease. Very well made, excellent product. Used on an 08 Escalade to pull off the pulley and reinstall on new pump. Worked great and was cheap enough to buy in case I ever needed it again. Removing and replacing power steering pump pulleys is gravy using this tool. I have used it a dozen times to make sure it was durable. Not one issue. Very well made. Number 1. MOFEEZ Gear Puller Set. This set makes removing gears, pulleys, and flywheels quick and easy. Say goodbye to damaged parts. It's designed for simple and damage-free removal of various components. No more struggling with stubborn parts. Made from hardened steel, it's built to withstand even the toughest jobs. You'll get years of reliable use. It works on slide gears, pulleys, and flywheels. It's the perfect tool for various applications. The reversible jaws provide versatile inside or outside grip, with short or long reach options. It adapts to many different situations. You get 3 pullers, a 3-inch, a 4-inch, and a 6-inch, each with different jaw spreads and reaches. It's a complete set for all your needs. What we like. This set ensures damage-free removal of various parts, thanks to its robust construction and clever design. The multiple sizes cover a wide range of applications. If you value a safe and effective solution, this is your best bet. What people say. Use many of these for pulling various size small bearings off motor shafts, easy to customize length and grab, can grind and reshape as needed per job. These are an excellent size choice for those who need to use a puller. Nice to have the set available. Needed to get a PTO pulley off a 9 horsepower Briggs engine. Tried all my do-it-at-home trickster ideas to no avail. It effortlessly removed my pulley as if it was a piece of paper, lol. I'm satisfied. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.